Yeah, I know. We're gonna go out to Fort Fisher right now, so the image quality may be a little bit crappy, but we're gonna go ahead and shoot the Milky Way, or hoping to shoot the Milky Way, and I wanted to do a video tutorial on site. So stay tuned for a video tutorial on site on how to shoot the Milky Way. Photos with Yanni. Hello everybody and welcome back to Photos with Yanni. I am en route right now going to Fort Fisher to capture the Milky Way. I wanted to do an on-site tutorial with how we're going to capture it, and shooting the Milky Way is something that has always fascinated me, and a lot of people don't know, but that's what got me into photography. I mean, so I'm super excited. If you like what you see, like, comment below, subscribe so the channel can keep growing, and hopefully Google will be aware that we are alive and we're growing. So I'm going to be on site in the next 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to do a little prelude here in the car, and then we're going to record when we get down there. It may not be light, so I may need to do it right next to the car, so we'll see. These clouds, every single shot is ruined. That's okay. This is Yanni from the future. I just want to tell you that persistence actually finally paid off. We were able to get some Milky Way shots, and we're going to get some more. So, mission accomplished. Welcome back. This is Photos with Yanni and
with Ellie.
We just came here today to grab some of the pictures of the Milky Way. So we're going to show you a little bit how we took it afterwards. But Ellie, go ahead and give him a little kiss.
I hope you will like this video.
Awesome. Let's go. Well, I can honestly say that this did not go according to plan at all. And the camera is definitely crooked. Here we are, Fort Fisher. Decided to come out and take some Milky Way shots. However, the clouds pretty much crept up on us, and it made it nearby impossible. But this is still a good opportunity to figure out how to take Milky Way shots. So, what we're gonna need is a tripod, your camera, an 1855 kit lens, 24-105, something no more than a 35. And that's it. That's the only gear that you need to take Milky Way shots. You probably already have it, in your house. I mean, I came down to Fort Fisher expecting actually and hoping to be able to catch the Milky Way, but the weather pretty much ruined it for us today. But this was a perfect opportunity to do a short, quick tutorial on how to capture the Milky Way. Even, I've taken so many shots before, so I could tell you basically how many times we've done it. You've seen the shots that I've taken. It's very easy. This is one of my favorite areas. It's so quiet, so calm. Down by Fort Fisher. This is the island, basically, down in Curie Beach. So basically all you need to do to capture the Milky Way is your tripod, your camera, and your lens. That's it. And make sure your lens has manual focus. So the very first thing is that you want to make sure that the night that you choose to go out, there's no clouds. That's the very first thing. The second thing that you want to do is make sure that you find a dark sky. I think if you Google dark sites close you, it will tell you exactly what's the closest place. This area is about 40 minutes from my house, so I don't mind it. I like it a lot. I come down here and it's mostly pitch black half the time. Except tonight, of course, that the clouds ruined it for us, but that's okay. You're definitely going to need a tripod. So you're going to put your camera on the tripod, you're going to put your lens on it, and use an app like Starwalk or Photo Pills or something like that to point you where exactly the Milky Way is. That's kind of crucial. Then what you need to do is find a faraway bright light. Using that faraway bright light, you can even bring with you a flashlight and point it far away. Using that light, you're gonna use your autofocus and get it as tack sharp as you can. That's called focus to infinity. Some lenses have it, some lenses don't. But that's like the quick workaround way to focus to infinity. As soon as you focus to infinity, you're going to go ahead and turn your lens back to manual focus. Then you're going to point with your camera toward the Milky Way, and you're going to use ISO anywhere from 16 to 3200, although you could possibly push it with a full frame camera to 6400. The R6 can do that. You're doing a shutter speed of about 30 seconds. There is a formula that says, you know, how long you're supposed to calculate it without getting start trails. I don't mind. Shutter speed 20 to 30 seconds is good enough for me. And aperture, if you can do 2.8, perfect. If you can do 4, that's fantastic. I've been putting some images here so you can see with the settings below, so we can see the difference between 2.8 and f4 aperture. I had a 24-105 kit lens that came in with the R6. I just picked up a 16-35, and that lens is incredible for Milky Way shots. And that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how you get the Milky Way. This is like the sweetest and easiest thing you can capture with your camera. Once you get it down pat, you're gonna see how easy it is and how awesome it is. You're gonna go out and take Milky Way shots. Play around with the orientation. Get some portrait, get some landscape oriented shots. You can get a lot of fun stuff. You know, you can put the Milky Way in a lot of fun situations. I love being out here. So nice, so calm, so quiet, and there's always people around, so I don't have to worry. I think this is why we can't have nice things. Well, that's it. I wanted to do an on-site tutorial on the Milky Way, and we did it. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, smile because it's contagious, and I'll see you next time. Photos with Yanni. Bye. I'm actually super stoked because we were able to get the Milky Way finally. This is the ocean right here. Actually, this is the Intracoastal Waterway. We were able to get the Milky Way up this view. That little boat kind of ruined our other shot beforehand, but we should have good enough shots. And I'm super excited. Super excited, folks. We did it. And you see how easy it is to actually, you know, get Milky Way shots right now. So they're having fun. Till next time. See ya.